Hi everyone, welcome to Augmintech. So today what we're going to do is let's just look at this image first. So this is a molding wall that gets created in almost every project these days. So today I'm going to show you how you can quickly create these moldings for a wall. Okay. So to start with, I am going to create a box. I'm going to use a box element just to create a wall. So this is my wall. Here you can change the height, make it as big as you want to. So this is the height. Width also I'm going to take 10 feet, and length we can keep 4 inches. So now this is a typical wall that you can see. Okay. Now on top of this I want to create a molding. So in order to do that, I am going to go to the option called shapes, and since I know this is a 10 feet by 10 feet wall, according to that I will create a rectangle that I require. Here also you can change the shape and size. So 2 feet 6 inches is fine with me. The width I am going to create like let's say 2 feet, and radius I do not want any radius in the corner. So now this is created. Length also you can increase to let's say 5 feet, so it's a bigger one. Now this is created, so this is the boundary of the cornice I want to create. Now I'm going to take a shape to create an arc for my own element. So here let's try and create an arc. So here you can choose the size here as well. So radius here is 1 inch, which is I think fine. So I'm going to keep it like that. And then select this arc right here, right click and convert it into an editable spline. After you do that, select the vertices and connect the dots. So these two dots need to get connected just like this. And here I have a shape of the molding that I want to create. So I'm going to go back like this. And now I'm going to select my rectangle, again convert it into an editable spline, and then after this I'm going to go to modifier list and select sweep. So now this sweep is going to give me everything I need. So it is already giving using some built-in action which we do not want. Click on use to custom section and then select pick from here and pick the element which is this one. Now you see we have a complete molding created for us. Now I can click outside. Now I can move this accordingly. I can actually rotate this 90 degrees. So I'm going to select rotate this 90 degrees and I'm going to place it on the wall wherever I need it to be. So this is as simple as it gets. So I'm just going to remove this and put it closer wherever I want to. So now we have a molding on the wall just like everything else. So this is here. If you want to now copy it further, you want to create a molding pattern, you can make an instance, make a Control Alt copy. So I'm going to make an instance here